So if you've been using Camtasia and you'd like to create tutorials like I do, there might be an effect that you find hard to replicate that you've seen on other tutorial videos, and that is when you have a widescreen shot of your talking head and you want to shrink it down to a circle on the bottom right so you can show your screencast of your whatever tutorials, if you're doing software tutorials like I'm doing. And it seems like that would be a simple animation inside of Camtasia, and at least I haven't found a spot in Camtasia that has that effect, but they do have animation, and you have to kind of create it from scratch. Well, I found a way of doing it, fairly simple, but you have to do it a certain way. So as you see here, I have this video I was working on earlier, and I was just, after I got done with it, of course, this video didn't turn out with the circle crop in it. It was only afterwards I thought, man, there's got to be a way of doing that. And so I toyed around with it, and I kind of figured out a kind of a simplistic way of doing it. So the way you do it here is, and this is what I'm talking about, here you are, talking head, right? And then you go to a circle down there to the corner, right? We've all seen that effect before, haven't we? Well, the way you do that is, we're going to back it up a little bit, and I'm going to do it in another section here. Let's say I want to do it at this point right here. So the way you do it is by hitting Command T, and then what you'll do is that clip right there, you're going to go ahead and add in your circle mask, and then you just go over here to you go over here to Visual Effects, and you go to Mask, and you go and hover over that clip that you want the animation on. And now once you've got that, now you just take these little dots here. Now there's a couple little dots, and you got to be careful you don't go too far. But you kind of go a little here, little here. You create your nice little effect here, right? And about like something like that. Okay? Now, once you've done that, now you're going to go ahead and put in your animation. So you got to create the circle crop first. Then you're going to go over here to Animation. You're going to go to Custom, drag it down here, and drop it at the beginning of that clip, that split of that clip. It's going to take you to the end, like it should. You're going to click on it again. You're going to drag it down to where you want it. Maybe right about there. Drag it up a little bit more. Then you can go ahead and go back to Visual Effects and add a little border. Drop it right on top of it. Go over here to Border. Choose Thickness and Alpha. Choose your color. And I find usually around 30 or so is usually a pretty good thickness for that right there. Okay. Now that you've done that, you've created your animation. Just that way. Kind of simple, I guess. But for all of those out there that didn't know how to do that, that's how you do it. So I hope you all enjoyed this episode, and if you did and want to see some more Camtasia type of tutorials, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. With that being said, I want to wish you all a wonderful week, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care. Bye.